Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't even know if my voice sounds the same anymore. I think I just got so used to it, to the raspiness. I was sick about a week ago for a few days and my voice just has not gotten better. So you're gonna listen to my nice, sexy, raspy voice during this video. So today I wanted to do something really fun and colorful. So this was the look that I created. I wanted to create something that was still really colorful, but also incorporate some neutrals in there that makes it a little bit more wearable, and it's still really fun and bright. And I paired it with a bright lip to make it even more extra. I've been really in a colorful mood lately. I've been really having a lot of fun creating all of these different kinds of colorful looks. So if you guys like them, definitely let me know and give me a thumbs up and let me know, so I will keep creating those colorful looks for you. So if you guys want to stick around to see how I created this soft yellow cut crease orange brown smoky eye, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Matte 42 color shadow palette. I'm first going into this orange shadow. So on my Sigma E38 diffuse crease brush, I'm going to start running the shadow through my crease. I'm using a really light hand and light pressure, just bringing that all the way into this inner corner. And then I'm going to start going back and forth and then doing little circular motions. And then I'm going to buff it a little bit higher because I want this shadow to be the last shadow seen in my crease. I'm now picking up this warm dark brown, and then I'm picking up this shadow on my Sigma E54 medium sweeper brush, and I'm basically doing that same technique that I did in my blue soft cut crease video. I'm first applying this on my outer lid and then creating kind of like a winged shape, so going from the thickest part out here going down towards the half point of my lid. And then I'm picking up that same shadow on my E25 blending brush, and I'm kind of just first tapping that on this outer corner, and then I'm going to start doing little circular motions to start distributing that through the crease. And then with a really light hand, I'm going to start bringing that all the way into the inner corner. And now I'm picking up a little bit more to darken up that crease area, and it's okay if it gets onto our lid because I am going to be cutting the crease to create that soft cut crease look with a concealer, so it's going to clean up that lid area. And then just picking up a small amount of that orange shade and applying that at that very high point of that crease to bring back that nice orange shade, and then nicely blend everything out. To create the soft cut crease, I'm using the Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer in Light Sand. So I picked up the tiniest amount of this concealer, and I'm going to just dot it right in the center of where I have no shadow, and then I'm going to keep packing that on. And then I'm going to kind of look down and just create that soft cut crease with my brush, just kind of drawing in that shape. For my lid, I'm picking up this yellow shadow, and then picking up that yellow shadow on that same F70 concealer brush. I'm going to start packing on that shadow over top of this concealer. And then I'm going to pick up that brown shadow that we were using and just tap that over the edges everywhere, just to make sure that it's nice and seamless and has that blended look. And then I'm just going to apply that same brown shadow with my EO6 wing liner brush just on my inner part of my lash line to connect it up to this shadow part right here. For the lower lash line, I'm going to do everything that I basically did on my lid. So first going in with the orange shade, but I'm stopping it right here on the halfway point of my lower lash line and making sure to connect it up to this crease shadow. And then going in with that brown shadow closer to my lash line. And again, stopping it right there on the halfway point and then blending that down. And then again with a really small amount of concealer, just going to dot it first right on this inner corner, my lower lash line, and then keep patting that in. The concealer just helps make the yellow shadow pop. It's a nice base to have something to stick to. So I'm just applying that on this inner corner and then using the tip of this brush just to blend the edges right here. And then packing on that yellow over top of anywhere I just applied the concealer, so on my inner corner and then my lower lash line. To line my waterline and tightline, I'm going to Smashbox Always On Gel Liner in Brewed. Now the last step is just to line my upper waterline. and then my lower waterline. I'm going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going to these MAC Cosmetics lashes in number 76, and that's the eye look done. So I'm stuck with what I want to put on my lips. I don't know if I want to do a nude or more of like a bold, colorful lip, because I'm really in the colorful mood right now. So I'm stuck between both of these. These are both the L'Oreal lip stains. I love these. They feel amazing. They feel so hydrating and like water going on your lips, but they're really pigmented and stay all day. I love them. So this one is in the shade 418 I Empower, and then 420 I Achieve. And I don't know, at first I was like, you know what, I picked up the nude, I was gonna go nude no matter what, and then now I picked this one up and I'm kind of feeling this one, so what do we think? Let me know which lip you would pair with this look down below in the comments, and I think I'm gonna go with the orange shade. I just think it's gonna match really nicely. I know it's gonna be a lot of orange overload, especially with my shirt on right now, but I think it'll look really cool, and I've never tried this shade, so I really wanna try it. And that's it. This is a completed look of my yellow soft cut crease makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love this technique so much. I don't know what it is about it. I just find it so interesting and different. I mean, I just did this technique a few videos back in that baby blue look that I did, and I loved it so much that I really wanted to recreate that same technique using different shadows and different color combinations. So that's what I did. And I'm also so glad that I actually chose the orange over the nude. I mean, the nude would still look amazing with this look, obviously, but I don't know. I just feel like it really completes the look. It makes it really nice and bright and colorful and fun for summer. So that's exactly what I wanted to do today, and that's what I did. So I'm happy. So if you guys want to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box. And also a list of all the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma, which is back in stock, will be linked down below for you guys to find everything easier. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. And I'm really glad that I chose this lip shade. Oh my god, no, no, no. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. We have spider crickets during the summer, and there's one literally walking towards me. Oh my god, I'm actually shaking. Like, I'm literally shaking.